Okay, the timing test, the most crucial test. If you do not pass this test, don't worry. About 98% of all athletes that I work with do not pass this test the first time. Okay, so there's two ways that we can take this test, is with the PVC or without. Without might be a little more comfortable in the beginning, so let me demonstrate quickly what that looks like. So, quite easy. What are you going to do? You're going to set the tone. Your setup, you're going to take your shoulders, you're going to droop them over your toes, you're nice and lazy. Your hands are going to go to your hip crease, your elbows are back, wiggly. Your thumbs are going to go to a 45-degree angle, and you're going to push your hands a couple inches away from your center line. Okay, so you're in a good setup foundation. And so all I want you to do right now is a calf raise. So when you do a calf raise, it's pretty simple. You just go all the way up on your toes and all the way back down. So now I want to see if you can partner that with your wrist movement, the wrist action. And what are we looking for in wrist action? Which is, it is an up and down pattern, a vertical pattern from the wrists. So the appropriate action would look like this. When I go up on my toes, let's pretend like that's a bound, my thumbs go down. So it's a mismatch. So it looks like this. I go up, my thumbs go down. I go up, my thumbs go down. So I can even pause at the top. My thumbs are down, I'm up, and on my way back down, my hands go back where they were. Okay, that's the first part. Simple. If it's not simple, then you practice that. The goal of the test is, can you take your calf raise, turn it into a bound, and simultaneously make your thumbs go down as you go up. So ideally it's going to look like this. I'm going to jump 10 times. Okay? Pretty cut and dry. You're going to do this. You're going to video yourself. I want you to turn your phone around so you can't see yourself. I don't want you to have that image so you can see what you're doing. I want you to just do this based on feel. Okay, so you're going to be prescribed with this week. I would like you to try this for 40 seconds. Okay, and you can turn it around and look at it when you're done. And so what we don't want to see during that test, so if I did a calf raise and my thumbs came up, right, this is wrong. We don't want to see this. Okay, so then I definitely don't want to see this. Right, so during your test, and I'll watch this too because I'm going to have you send it to me, you might see this. This is correct. Ready? This is incorrect. This is correct. This is incorrect. Do you see the difference? Okay. If not, talk to me. I'm going to stop this. No, I'm not. We're going to do one more. Everything stays the same. If you have a piece of PVC pipe, this is very nice. You're going to put this behind your back, and you're going to get your elbows kind of groove there in the elbow pits. The reason I like the PVC pipe is because it forces your elbows back. And this is just a good practice and something I'm going to prescribe to some of you if you're having hand placement issues. So here I am, and I'm just kind of forced with my elbows back. My thumbs are shooting here at a 45-degree angle. I can warm up my timing test. When I feel ready, I can bound, right? And then with our elbows behind the PVC, then there's going to be no arm straightening in front or dropping our hands. It kind of just ensures position of our elbows. Okay, have fun.